Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls out here. So people, are you all ready for the first JEE Advanced session as part of Mission IIT? Are you guys excited? Hello Manoj, welcome man. Zaid YouTube, welcome. Shakti Priya is also here, fantastic. So boys and girls, if you're all able to hear me and see me well, please give me a thumbs up so that we can get started with this amazing session. Please let me know guys, and then we will get on with the class. Hello Shakti Priya, welcome. Sylvia Catherine, welcome Sylvia, nice to see you. Hello Janet Johnny, welcome Janet, nice to see you over here. Rajesh, you might get an triple IT. Okay, you might get a triple IT, but I'm not sure which one. You'll have to wait for it. Okay, Pradeep Rao, welcome Pradeep, nice to see you man. So guys, this is Algebra 1. So I'm gonna discuss questions based on Algebra, and we all are gonna have a lot of fun together because the questions in JEE Advanced are a class apart, and I'm gonna show that to you today. So people, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics at Vedantu, and my background is over here. I did my BTech from IIT Madras, and like you guys, I also prepared for many competitive exams. I wrote KVPY and I cleared it. I also wrote JEE Mains when I was in my 12th standard, and I was able to secure a top rank in the state. So that is why I'm here to share my experience, to inspire you guys to do well. Got it? So that is what we are going to do today. We're going to look at some beautiful questions. We are going to solve it together. Okay, it will be hard, of course guys, it has to be hard because it's JEE Advanced. Okay, so we are going to solve these hard questions in a beautiful manner. Got it? Science Priya, I am not sure why that happened. I will look into it after the class. Okay, I will look into it. Is this for class 11? Yes, class 11 students can also participate because majority of the questions are from 11th standard algebra. So you guys can also try to solve it. Let's see how good you're solving. Why t-shirt change? So I went out man, I just came back, and Vedantu t-shirts, I've given it for laundry. I hope I will get it by tomorrow. Hello Manisha, Saitej, welcome. VSG, welcome man, nice to see you. Jaya Prakash, all my old students are back. I know you guys are all serious about JEE Advanced. So let's get started, shall we? So people, if you want to know me better, you can follow me on Instagram. So that is my Instagram ID. You just have to click on the follow button. You will get to know what I do in life apart from teaching. Or if you have any questions that you want to ask me regarding JEE Advanced, regarding counseling, regarding anything in life in general, you can message me over here. That is my personal account. And people, this is the channel that you are watching currently. It is Vedantu Enthuse. So this channel is for English speaking audience, for those who want to learn in English all engineering exams. Okay, so this was created by Vedantu for all you guys who want to learn all these engineering entrance exam in English. So please do show your love and support by subscribing to the channel, staying tuned to it, and also share it to your friends if you really feel we helped you a lot. And finally guys, do like the video so that your teachers are encouraged. Okay, all my videos, Shreyas Sir's videos, Wasim Sir's videos, so that the teachers get some encouragement from you guys. Okay, that's the best you can do, right? This is YouTube. Nobody knows everybody, right? So I don't know you, you don't know me very well. So you can encourage me just by giving me a thumbs up or a comment, something nice for your teachers. That would be great. Got it? So shall we get started? Can you all give me a thumbs up guys? Everybody, can you guys give me a thumbs up, a yo in the chat? Shashank, thank you so much Shashank. That is so kind of you. Sylvia 2023, amazing Sylvia, nice to see you. Gokulnath, fantastic Gokulnath. Science Priya, Ram, everybody has given me a yo. Ragul Akshay, welcome Ragul, nice to see you. Nikita, very nice to see you Nikita, welcome back. I'm so happy you have come here for this session. Vaishnavi, brilliant. Prasun Tripathi, Priyal Singh, Manisha Rani. So let's get started. Yes, Sai Teja, it is easy for SC category students to qualify advanced. Yes, because the qualifying marks are a bit less. That is why we call it reservation, right? So yes, for SC category, it is going to be easier than OBC, than general. That's how it goes. Okay? Very good, very good. Rajaram, don't worry about it for now. Look at the next exam. So people, let's get started. This is the very first question. The very first question itself is a bouncer. It is a bouncer. What do you call as a bouncer? Something very hard to attempt. Because when you play cricket, a bouncer can, literally confuse you, literally scare you. So that is exactly what we have here. We are going to look at some brilliant bouncers today, and you guys are going to learn how to solve them. So everybody, let's get started. Please try it out. I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes to try it. Okay? Thank you, Ramu. Nice t-shirt. Today I'm getting a lot of appreciation for the t-shirt because I'm not wearing Vedantu t-shirt, right? So guys, I'll be back to Vedantu tomorrow. Today, I did not have any t-shirt, so I had to manage with this. Okay? Very good. Yorker, exactly. Any updates about the scam? Rajaram, I have no idea, man. But if I get any update, I'll be letting you guys know. Okay. Vendrajit Pandian. Thank you so much, Vendrajit. That is so kind of you. Very good, very good. So people, shall we get started? Everybody, did you all like this question? See, you have two adjacent sides of a polygon. Center at origin. So origin is a center. Two adjacent sides are given by Z and Z bar. So they are adjacent vertices of a regular polygon. A regular polygon can be plotted in a circle, right? It can be plotted in a circle like that. And this angle is given to be 2 pi by n. So this angle is anti-clockwise 2 pi by n. Now you have to tell me what is the value of n. What is the value of n? That is your question. What is n given that imaginary part of z by real part of z is equal to root 2 minus 1. That is what you have. Are you guys cool with it? Did you all like it? My dear boys and girls, everybody is enjoying the question. Beautiful question. Did you all understand the question first of all? Vishesh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm glad you like the quote, rise above hate. Yes, it's very important, guys. We should love each other rather than hating each other, because hate, everybody can do that, isn't it? People already get a lot of hate. So it's only fair if we spread some love to people whom we meet, isn't it? So guys, I hope all of you are ready. Everybody understood the question? Great. Now let's solve it, guys. Let's try to solve it. So now I'm going to use the rotation formula. Many of you might have not studied rotation in JEE Mains, because in JEE Mains rotation is not required. But in JEE Advanced, you need to know something called as Coney's theorem, Coney's method. Okay, so if you don't know what is Coney's method, please learn it. I'm not going to teach that to you right now. I'm going to use Coney's method. But don't worry, I will show you how to use Coney's method. I will show you how to use Coney's method. Vaishnavi, you are right, Vaishnavi. Aishwarya, you are amazing, Aishwarya. Brilliant. So now what Coney's method says is, when you have your angle in anti-clockwise direction, it says wherever the arrow points to, write that vector first. So that vector is going to be z minus 0 divided by z bar minus 0. The bottom one is z bar minus 0. That is equal to modulus of z minus 0 by z bar minus 0 into e to the power iota of this angle, which is 2 pi by n. So did you all like it? Now people, this is radius of circle. This is also radius of circle. That means the magnitude of both of them are same. So I will get z by z bar is equal to e to the power iota 2 pi by n. This is the result I get from Coney's formula. Did you guys understand it? Guys, it is gonna be difficult. You have to buckle up. You have to step up, rise up to the occasion. It is not gonna be simple. This is your Coney's formula. I hope you guys got it. It uses rotation. Without rotation, it is not gonna be simple. Are you all happy with it? Priyal Singh is loving this. Thank you, Priyal. I'm so glad you're enjoying this class. Is Cengage enough for JEE Advanced? Yes, my dear. Vendrajit, Cengage is more than enough for JEE Advanced. So guys, are you all cool? Shall I move forward? Ridya, brilliant. Great. Bhavana, yes Bhavana, Advanced is going to be hard. It is going to make you cry, but you have to work hard for it, Bhavana. Okay, so now people, now let me erase the diagram. Now the diagram has no use. Okay, now let's erase this also. Now I have to use this information over here. What is imaginary part of z? Imaginary part is z minus z bar by 2i. That is imaginary part of z. Divided by real part of z is z plus z bar by 2. Now that is equal to root 2 minus 1. Did you all like it? Come on, come on, come on guys. Everybody follow every step. We are going to keep moving forward. I'm not going to come back and repeat it ever again. Because guys, this is a JEE Advanced session. You have to step up to this level. You need to raise your bar. You need to raise your bar, okay? Don't feel offended, don't feel upset. You can always watch the replay. Because if I start repeating it, which I am known for, then I will teach only this question for the entire session. Because these are all difficult questions. I can keep explaining and there will be one person who will always say, Sir, I did not understand. So if I keep doing that, then we will see only one question. Do you want one question or do you want all the 7 questions which I have brought for you? You want to solve all the 7 questions, right? Then you have to give me some pace, give me some speed, okay? So let's erase that. So now people, the next step is, I can cancel this 2 and 2. So now what will I have? I'll have z minus z bar by z plus z bar is equal to iota times root 2 minus 1. What did I do? This iota, this boy over here, I took it to the other side. And that is what I have written. So guys, we are closing to the answer. We are nearing the answer. Are you guys clear with it? We are nearing the answer. I hope all of you are able to follow. So can I erase this? Can I erase this? Very, very simple. Are you all clean? Are you all very, very mentally clear with everything that I have done so far? Brilliant. Now divide by z bar. Divide by z bar to the numerator. Divide by z bar to the denominator. So now what will you get? You will get iota times root 2 minus 1. Is that right? Now why did I divide by z bar? Because I want to use this. Beautiful. Look at the way I manipulate my question. Look at the way I manipulate my question. Componendo dividendo, yes, you can do that. But the problem is VSG. You have to add and subtract 1 over here. So you can do that also. It's your wish. Whichever you find suitable, do that. Got it? Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it? So now people, z by z bar is e to the power iota 2 pi by n. Z by z bar is nothing but e to the power iota 2 pi by n. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with that? Priyal, very good Priyal. Brilliant, brilliant. Yes, Praveen, Yeli Sethi, yes, you can do DC Pandey or HC Verma, whichever you find comfortable. Whichever you find comfortable. Yashwant, please pull the video back, Yashwant. Please pull the video back. That is a better way, Yashwant. That way we will solve more questions. Mini, nice to see you, Mini. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So now people, we are approaching the answer. So what is e to the power iota theta? E to the power iota theta is nothing but cos theta plus iota sin theta. Now trigonometry. So e to the power iota 2 pi by n is cos 2 pi by n plus iota sin 2 pi by n. Similarly, denominator also e to the power iota 2 pi by n. I write as cos 2 pi by n plus iota sin 2 pi by n. Is that clear, guys? Everybody? Did you all like it? I'm going to simplify this. I'm going to simplify this. Hello, Adarsh. Welcome, Adarsh. Nice to see you, man. Okay. So, guys, I hope you're all clear. Now, combine the real part. So, I will take the minus 1 and club it over here. I'll put minus 1 plus this. And this plus 1, I'll bring it here. So, this is what I have. Now, let's simplify it. What is 1 minus cos 2 pi by n? 1 minus cos 2 pi by n is what? Guys, 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. I hope you know trigonometry. 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta. Guys, very basic results. I have to move fast. So, this will be what? This will be nothing but minus 2 sin square pi by n plus iota 2 sin pi by n cos pi by n. Is that all right? My dear boys and my dear girls, this is going to be 2 cos square pi by n plus iota sin 2 pi by n. That can be written as 2 sin pi by n cos pi by n. Are you all happy? So in the numerator I can take 2 sin pi by n common, and in the denominator I can take 2 cos pi by n common. So I can take 2 sin pi by n common, and in the denominator I can take 2 cos pi by n common. So if I take 2 cos pi by n common, I'll be left out with this. I'll be left out with this in the denominator, and in the numerator I'll be left out with minus 2 sin pi by n plus, what do we have? 2 sin pi by n goes away, so you'll have cos pi by n. Is that correct? Are you guys happy with it? Boys and girls, please let me know. How many of you liked it? Till here you guys are clear, correct? So 2 will get cancelled. So I'll have tan pi by n on the outside. It's a beautiful question, guys. Yes, that's why it's a JEE Advanced question. Okay, now I just have to simplify this. Can you all finish it off? Next level, right? Next level question. So this is a good question. So now 2 will not be there, guys. I'm sorry. 2 will not be there because it gets cancelled outside. So this one is very simple. It is e to the power iota pi by n. Very, very simple. But this one, can you guys understand? It is e to the power iota. What can I say? Can you guys help me here? What can I say? Can I say it is nothing but pi by 2 minus pi by n? Is that okay? Or pi by 2 plus pi by n, right? Can you guys understand that? Can I say the numerator is e to the power iota pi by 2 plus pi by n? Because cos of pi by 2 plus pi by n is minus sin pi by n. Sin of pi by 2 plus pi by n is cos pi by n. Perfect. Beauty. Beauty. So now I can write the numerator as e to the power iota pi by 2 plus pi by n. Now divide both of them. So if I divide both of them, iota pi by n will get cancelled. So I'll have only e to the power iota pi by 2. What is e to the power iota pi by 2? E to the power iota pi by 2 is nothing but I. It is nothing but I. So if I say this is I, my dear students, it is going to be into I. So I. So can I say tan pi by n is equal to root 2 minus 1? What is root 2 minus 1? Root 2 minus 1 you have to remember. It is tan pi by 8. Root 2 minus 1 is tan pi by 8. You have to remember. It is advanced. It is not CBSE. It is not JEE Mains. You have to remember those values. So tan pi by n, pi by 8. So n is equal to? How was it? Was it good? Yeah? Did you guys like it? Everybody, was it a good question? Awesome, right? So all the questions are going to be like this only, guys. All the questions are going to be like this only. I hope you all enjoyed it. Okay? So with that, let's move forward. VSG, thank you so much, man. I hope you enjoyed it. So guys, this is the solution. I have attached it. You guys can go through it. You will be able to understand. But like I told you, you need to know Coney's method. Coney's method is nothing but the rotation theorem in complex numbers. If you don't know Coney's theorem, it is going to be difficult. Okay, fantastic. So here we go, people. The second question. This is again brilliant question. Please try to solve it. Let's see how many of you can solve it. Chidu, fantastic. Manisha Rani, I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Felix, yes Felix, obviously man, these are all JEE Advanced questions. All of them are going to be lengthy. All of them are going to be very, very interesting. Okay, please go for it. Fantastic. Okay. E to the power, imaginary part of z by real part of z is argument of z. How did you arrive at that? Dayanidhi, imaginary part of z by real part of z will be a number, man. Will be a real number, right? So argument of z will give you an angle. How did you arrive at that? Mini, thank you so much. Manav, no problem Manav. This is the second question. Okay, this is the second question. Yes. Everybody, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please go for it, my dear boys and my dear girls. Okay. So it is not tan theta, man. I think it should be tan theta by 2. But Dayanidhi, that is a formula, man. I'm not sure how you arrived at it. I solved it. Okay, exactly, Dayanidhi. Now you are right. Got it? Now you are right. So it is actually 2. It is actually 2 times of the argument. 2 times of tan of the argument. Got it? Yep, something like that. I don't know how you arrived at it, but I think you can derive it. So Dayanidhi, basically I derived it for you, man. I basically derived it for you. You got that, right? Finally we got tan theta, tan pi by n. Okay, so that's what we did. So don't worry, what we did was correct only. Thank you, Mini, Dayanidhi, fantastic. Elisetti, Praveen, thank you so much. Are you all able to solve it? Vishesh, principal will punish. Yes, man. I'll tell principal, get it from the laundry. Okay, so guys, let's solve it. It's a nice question. See, first of all, the concept is very easy. So you guys know, if the roots are real for a quadratic, you tell me what should I do. You tell me. I'm going to make you guys solve it. I'm not going to move my hand. I'm not going to move my hand. I'm not going to move my brain any further. You guys are going to solve it. If the roots of a quadratic are real, what do you understand from that? Please let me know, my dear boys and girls. Thank you, Mini. Mini, that means a lot to me. That is a very, very good encouragement for any teacher. I am glad I did that for you. Jesse, why? What happened? Don't tell me I demotivated you by these questions. Okay. Ruchi, welcome Ruchi. Nice to see you. So guys, very good. Science Priya, amazing. Jahnavi, Sai Teja, you guys are awesome. So delta must be greater than or equal to 0. Is that correct? What is delta? Delta is discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. So what is discriminant? It is nothing but b square. B square is what? 4 times of a plus b plus c whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 3 lambda times of ab plus bc plus ca. Is that right, my dear boys and girls? Are you all clear? So now 4 and 4 I can cancel. I can say a plus b plus c the whole square by ab plus bc plus ca is greater than or equal to 3 lambda. Is that right, my dear boys and girls? Are you all happy with this? Till here, did you guys understand it? Arul Vishal, thank you so much. Gaming Guru, welcome Gaming Guru. Tejaswini, welcome Tejaswini. I'm so glad you made it to our channel. Did you guys enjoy it? Brilliant question. Absolutely amazing. So till here, everybody should have understood. Till here, everybody should have understood. Now, one question you can ask me is, sir, how did you divide by this number, sir? When you have inequalities, you cannot divide by the term which you have on this side. But guys, this is a positive term. Why is it positive? Because they're all sides of a triangle. If they're all sides of a triangle, they're all positive. So I can divide by positive quantities. Nothing wrong in that. Nothing wrong in that. Got it? So now, here comes the challenge. How do I find this ratio? How do I find this ratio? That is where your triangular inequality comes into picture. I kept telling you triangular inequality is so important, so important, so important. So how do we use triangular inequality? I'm going to show that to you guys. Please listen carefully right now. Okay. So guys, if you have a triangle, we all know that the difference of two sides of a triangle is going to be lesser than the third side. The difference of any two sides of a triangle is lesser than the third side. The difference of any two sides of a triangle is lesser than the third side. So now square and add them. Now square and add them. So guys, this also you can open it, right? You can open it and what will you get? You will get a square plus b square plus c square minus 2 times of, okay, plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. So if I take it to the other side, I can write it as minus 2 over here. Did you guys understand that? How many of you got this? How many of you got this? Can you please let me know? So I had a plus b plus c whole square on the numerator. A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus C square plus 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA. But we have divided by this now. So when I divide by that, this will get cancelled. You'll have plus 2. So plus 2, if I take it to the other side, it will become minus 2. Is that clear? Everybody got it? Are you all cool? Very good. So now I'm going to square these expressions. I'm going to square these expressions and I'm going to add all of them. So if I add all of them, what will I get? I'll get a square plus b square minus 2ab. And I'll get what? Next you'll have b square plus c square minus 2bc, and then you'll have a square plus c square minus 2ac, and that will be lesser than, you'll have a square plus b square plus c square. So you'll have 1a square cancel, 1b square cancel, 1c square cancels. So what will you have? You will have a square plus b square plus c square is gonna be lesser than twice of ab plus bc plus ca. So if I divide it here, I will get a square plus b square plus c square divided by this is lesser than 2. Are you guys able to understand that? I'm sorry guys. The difference of two sides should be always lesser than the third side. That is what I've done. And when I took it to the other side, this is the ratio I got. Are you all able to understand that? Everybody is cool with it? There is no problem over here. Guys, are you all able to follow that? So now, can you guys finish it off, everybody? Can you guys please finish it off? So this ratio is lesser than or equal to 2. So if I put that, I'll get lambda to be always lesser than 4 by 3. Because this ratio is always lesser than 2, right? This is always lesser than 2. So 2 is greater than this ratio. Got it? 2 is greater than this ratio. So if I put 2 here, then it should be greater than that value. So if I take it here, lambda will be less than 4 by 3. That's the answer. Got it? Was it beautiful? Did you guys like it? Tough question? Easy question? Good one? Yes! Did you guys like it? Everybody, Priyal, absolutely right, Priyal. What about others? Did you guys enjoy it, everybody? How 2 will be greater? Because, so, Gokulnath, you take this down, okay? You take this down, you'll have this. So, you have this ratio is smaller than 2. This ratio is smaller than 2. And we know this ratio is greater than this value. This ratio is greater than this. If this ratio itself is greater than that, then 2 should be much greater than that. Got it, Gokulnath? See, if this ratio is greater than 3 lambda minus 2 and this ratio is lesser than 2, then 2 should of course be greater than 3 lambda minus 2. That's how I did it. Understood? Very good. So that is why I paused for a while, okay? Because inequalities, it's a bit time-taking task. You have to be careful. Okay, so shall we move forward? Great. So second question was awesome. Now let's move forward to the third one. This is again a brilliant question. Brilliant question. Please try to solve it. When is the second lecture? Sylvia, we will have it this week only. We will have it tomorrow. So please stay tuned, Sylvia. We will have it tomorrow. I am hoping to meet a lot of you people tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Got it? Okay, Jesse. I didn't know that. That's amazing. Okay. Vishesh, yes, I know, man, I know. Yes, Praveen, tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Will classes be every day? Bukya, every day we'll have classes, but it is a mixture of 2021, 2022 and 2023. Got it? Singaram, I will try to do that, Singaram. Dhanalakshmi, thank you so much. That means a lot. So people, did you guys try to solve this question? So first of all, guys, let me write it like this. So if I write it like an equation, guys, do you all understand that if I write it like an equation, the roots of this equation are the first n natural numbers? How many of you understood that? Did you all like it? So if I open it, my dear, it will be x to the power n minus sum of the roots taken one at a time into x to the power n minus 1 plus sum of the roots taken 2 at a time, x to the power n minus 2 and so on. It will go alternative, right? It will go alternative. Did you guys like it? It is going to go like that, equal to 0. Did you all understand it? So what is the coefficient of x to the power n minus 2? The coefficient of x to the power n minus 2 is sum of the roots taken 2 at a time. Sum of the roots taken 2 at a time. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Everybody give me a thumbs up. This is a very good concept that I'm teaching you. Usually in JEE mains what they'll ask is they'll ask S1. Why S1 is easy? S1 is easy because directly it is just sum of all the roots. S1 is very easy because S1 is directly sum of all the roots. So that is a JEE main question. But JEE Advanced, they're asking you sum of taken 2 at a time. Sum of the roots taken 2 at a time. Okay, now how do I do that? Sum of the roots taken 2 at a time. What are the roots? The roots are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till n. So 2 at a time means it's very difficult because 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4, like that, so many combinations. How many combinations? NC2 combinations. Can I do that? No. So I have to think of a nice way. What is the nice way? The nice way is, don't you think S2, guys, this is mind blowing. So please take it carefully. Take it carefully, okay? Don't you think this is correct? This is the answer. Don't you think so? How, sir? How that is the answer? That is the answer because what is a plus b plus c whole square minus a square minus b square minus c square? It is nothing but twice of ab plus bc plus ca. Is that correct? So if I divide this by 2, I will get the product of roots taken 2 at a time. I gave an analogy for you to understand. Amazing. Did you guys like it? So when you add all the roots and square it and subtract the square of each of the roots, you will basically have twice of the product of roots taken 2 at a time. So I divided by 2 to get the product of roots taken 2 at a time. Good one? Did you like it? The analogy helped, right? So don't forget this analogy. Keep it in mind. That's it. After that, you guys can do it. So I will leave it there. Shall I leave it there? Yeah, I think you guys can do it. This is nothing but what? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, and you have by 2 down. Minus this is what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, so can you guys finish it off? Can I leave it here? Yes? You guys are comfortable? This one you simplify, you will get one of the options. Clear? Hello Shweta, welcome. Anir, I'm so glad you enjoyed it, man. I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Sai Teja, fantastic. Jahnavi, brilliant. Can we not use a plus b whole square? No, no, no. You don't have 2, right? You have n terms. So that was just an analogy. That was just an analogy, knowledge facts. It is not the actual one. The actual one, you have n terms. You have n roots. So you have to take care of that. Got it? Very good, very good. Sylvia, thank you so much, Sylvia. I don't know whether you're able to follow, but these are all good questions, Sylvia. I'm glad you're getting to realize and learn this now itself. So Venkat, you are right, Venkat. Very good. Deepsika, amazing Deepsika. You are right. Praveen, very good Praveen. You are right. Vishwas, thank you so much, man. Sarthak, I'm glad you got it, Sarthak. You are right. Absolutely, you are right. So guys, this question you guys can do. This question everybody can do. It's an easy question. So one easy question I brought. So this is the easy one. So please try it. It's a good question. It's a good question. Okay. It's a good, easy one to lift your spirit, to lift your mood. So let's see how many of you can solve it. Very good, very good. Tushar, all the best, Tushar. I am so glad you joined the KVPY course. The KVPY course in Vedantu is awesome because I also was involved in the design of it. So I know how they designed it, and that created a feeling of me wanting to be a student, man, because it was that good. So go and check it out. Yes, yes, Sanjana, I will teach you in YouTube only, Sanjana. because right now planning and executing in Vedantu is difficult. In YouTube, I will teach you advanced. I will teach you good questions, don't worry. But yes, the time is limited. The time is limited. Okay, Ritika, take care Ritika. I hope to see you tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Option C, option A. What is the answer? Come on people. Come on guys. Who is right? Let me check. Bhavanesh. No Bhavanesh. Guys, come on. This is an easy one. Don't lose on this. Don't lose out on this. Okay. Satya, I will reply Satya. Can you ask me here? Can you ask me here right now? I'll help you. Triambak. No Triambak. That's wrong. So guys, it is not C. Jahnavi is right. Sarthak is right. Dayanidhi is right. You guys are awesome. Shweta. Very good. Shweta. Aryaman, I would love to have you in my class. Definitely do attend it. It will be awesome. Thank you, Tushar. I'm glad you enjoyed it, man. I'm glad you joined it. So people, the answer is A. Sir, why is this easy question, sir? I will show you, my dear. So it is going to be 2 to the power root x plus root y is equal to 2 to the power 256. I can write it as 2 to the power 8. Correct, na? 2 to the power 256 is 2 to the power 8. Everybody cool? No, Satya, you can't write it after you drop. If you are in 11th or 12th, you can write it. If you are in 11th or 12th, you can write it, but not dropping. Dropping, you cannot write. Okay, so guys, can I say root x plus root y is equal to 8? First equation. Now this one is very easy because log to the base 10 root of xy is equal to, this is what? Log to the base 10, 10. Because 1 is nothing but anything to the same base will be 1. So that's what I wrote. In the place of 1, I wrote log to the base 10 of 10. And plus this one, this term, I will take it to the right side. So it will become plus log 3 by 2 base 10. So log A plus log B is what? Log A plus log B is, I can multiply them. 10 into 3 by 2. So 10 into 3 by 2 is what? 15, right? So the right side will become log to the base 10, 15. So I will get root xy is equal to 15. Did you guys like that? Everybody? So I can say that xy is equal to 225. How many of you enjoyed it? Root xy is 15 and xy equal to 225. Now square this, my dear. Square this. If I square this, I'll get x plus y plus 2 root xy is equal to 64. So what is x plus y? X plus y is equal to 64 minus twice of root xy. So root xy is 15. So 2 into root xy is 2 into 15, which is 34. So x plus y is 34. That's the answer. So the values come out to be 25 and 9. You can even solve it. 25 and 9 is the answer. Okay. Did you guys like it? It's a slightly easy one. I accept. I accept it's an easy one. Okay. Did you guys like it? Harshavardhan? Very good. Elisati, Praveen, brilliant. Rohit, very good. That's correct, man. Okay. Very good. Vishesh, that's brilliant. Chidu, fantastic. Thank you so much. Brilliant, brilliant, guys. That is awesome. So with that, people, let me go. Now that I've shown you an easy question, let me go forward to a tough one. But before that, guys, Vedantu has performed really well in CBSE as well as your JEE Advanced as compared to anyone in the country. In case you are interested to learn with us, do check out the courses. It is available in the link given below in the description of this video. Today, there is an offer because of Teachers' Day, and I've been working in Vedantu for 3 years. In 3 years, today's offer is the best offer because we have 50% off on monthly courses. So check it out. We have KVPY, we have CBSE, we have JEE Mains, JEE Advanced courses in the description of the video. Okay, I will talk about it at the end of the class. Got it? So right now, let's continue. This is a tough question. This is legendary. What do you call it? You call it legendary. Okay. So please try to solve it, my dear boys and girls. I become a teacher in Vedantu. What can I do? Mahanadi. Okay, Mahanti. So Mahanti, if you want to become a teacher, which class are you looking at? You are looking at 9th and 10th or 6th to 8th or 11th to 12th. We have various categories. So 6 to 8 is one category, 9 to 10 is one, 11 and 12 is one. So if you're 11 and 12, you have to be from an IIT or an NIT or BITS. to become a teacher. If you are from lower grades, then you have to apply in the portal. So Vedantu has a portal where teachers can apply. So there you have to apply. Got it? So that is the only way. There is no other way to get into Vedantu. It is a very transparent process. If you are a very passionate teacher, definitely Vedantu would love to have you. Okay? Great. Friday session, no replay. Vishesh, I asked them, man. I mailed them. So they will get back to me. Don't worry, Vishesh. I will definitely help you get it. Selva Karthik, thank you so much. How much rank should I get to get into a good IIT? Rohit, you have to get a rank of below 5,000. If you get below 5,000, you can get a good IIT. Okay. Kavita, I am not sure, Kavita. For me, it looks fine. What is the use of KVPY? KVPY, you get scholarship, Praveen, and it is a very prestigious exam. Okay, so when you have it on your resume, it looks good. It shows that you are a very talented person. You have skills, you have the analytical ability. That is what you convey to your recruiter. So they feel good about that. Okay, so that is why KVPY is very important. That's why people compete for it. They write in large numbers. The registration is over. But if you want to study with us, Vedantu has a crash course, the link of which is given below in the description. Yup. So people, shall we solve it? How many of you have done it? So guys, any natural number can be written as, so let's say if it looks like this, if it looks like, let's say an minus 1, an minus 2, all the way up to a0. If this is the number, let's say this is the number, then I can write n as a0 plus 10 into a1 plus 10 square into a2 all the way up to 10 to the power n an. How many of you got it? Do you guys agree? This we learnt in 9th standard, 10th standard. This we learnt in 9th standard, 10th standard. N is 1, 2 or 3 digit. Knowledge fact, we don't know. We don't know how many digits are there. You have to find out, my dear. You can't ask that question. Okay? You have to find out. Got it? Are you all clear with it? Everybody cool? Great. Are you, my dear boys and girls, happy with it? I'm going to do something magical over here. Now, what I'm going to do is, the first digit from the left, the first digit, I delete it. If I delete the first digit, now this number is n by 29. Did you like it? Did you like it? So, n by 29 is what? N by 29 is a0 plus 10 into a1 plus 10 square into a2 all the way up to 10 to the power n minus 1, an minus 1. Did you like it, my dear boys and girls? Are you all happy with it? Are you all happy with it? Everybody please let me know, my dear boys and my dear girls. I want all of you to respond. I want all of you to respond. Please do it. Everybody. Got it? Very good. Great, 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 great. So people, are you all fine with this? Now what will you do? Can you think a little bit from here? Can you think a little bit? I want you guys to give it a try because you are capable. You will be able to answer it. I'm pretty sure. Okay. So guys, can I say if I subtract these two, let's subtract these two. This 2 if I subtract, I'll get 28 by 29n. If I subtract these two, a0 cancel, 10a1 cancel, 10 square a2 cancel. This term and this term cancels. So what I'm left out is 10 to the power n an. Beautiful. I have something beautiful over here. Did you guys like that? Did you guys like that? Everybody. Amazing. Was it awesome? So can I erase everything else? Because I have reached my answer. What is my answer? I get 28n is equal to, what do I have? 29 into 10 to the power n into an. Is that right, people? Are you guys happy with it? Did you guys understand whatever I have done so far? Everybody cool? So now we have 4 into 7. That is 28. Nah? So 7 should be present here also. So 29 does not have 7. 10 to the power n does not have 7. So 7 should come from here. So I get the first result, A1 is equal to 7. Got it? Are you guys happy? Are you guys happy? So what will I get? I'll get n is equal to 29 into 10 to the power n. This 7 and this 7 will get cancelled by 4. Now n, so we have 4, right? So 4 if we have, then here 4 is not there. Here 4 is not there. So this should give you 4. So if this is giving you 4, then n should be greater than or equal to 2. Because 10 to the power 1 does not have a factor of 4. 10 to the power 2 has a factor of 4. 10 to the power 3 has a factor of 4. So n should be greater than or equal to 2. So this is my answer. So let's say n is 2. If n is 2, what will I have? If n is 2, we'll have 10 square. So the answer is 2900 by 4, which is equal to 725. So that is my answer. So one of the answer is n equal to 725. But sir, n can be 3 also, no sir? Yes, that is also correct. So if n is 3, what will you have? N is 3, you'll have one more 0, you'll have one more 0. So this is also answer. But sir, n can be 4 also, no sir? Yes, n can be 4 also. So if you put 4, you'll get one more 0 and you'll get one more 0. So like that, it keeps going. So this is my answer, ... So what is the sum of the digits of n? 7 plus 2 plus 5, 14. Brillianto. Brillianto. Did you guys like it? Was it crazy? Did you guys like it? Are you all happy with it? Reggie Paul, AN is the first digit. It has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Reggie Paul, did I answer your question? You asked a good question. So Reggie Paul was asking, sir, AN, why should it be equal to 7, sir? Can't it be a multiple of 7? Guys, AN is the first digit. Digit means one digit number. One digit number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So among 1 to 9, which is a multiple of 7? Only 7, right? So AN has to be only 7. Reggie, did you get it, Reggie? I hope you understood it. So with that, shall I move forward? How I cancel 7? Here you have 28, man. 28 and there you have 7. So 7 and 28 will cancel and you'll have 4 times. So that is your number. Did you like it? Are you all clear, people? Fantastic. Vijay Krishore, fantastic Vijay, welcome. So people, with that, let's go forward. Vishesh, this is a very tricky question, man. I will move forward, you can go through it later again, don't worry. So guys, now, slightly easy question, slightly easy. Hamza, can you please pull the video back, Hamza? I would appreciate that, man. Okay. Sukhdev, the previous question, yes, it is JEE Advanced level. The previous question is JEE Advanced level. This one is slightly easy, but yeah, you can say it is also JEE Advanced level. You can say this is also JEE Advanced level. Oh, Karthik and Samir sir did that. I don't know, man. I don't know. I just picked it randomly. But yeah, it's a good question, Karthikeyan. You can try to solve it. Okay. Hamza, I'm really sorry, Hamza, but please watch it by pulling the video back, man. Okay. I hope you don't mind because I have 2 more questions and I have to complete by 10 because I need to do something. Okay. This question already done. No, man, I did not take it in my session. In my session, I have not done it. Okay. What about KVPY SX level? Sukhdev, KVPY SX level is very similar to JEE Advanced. Okay, it is very similar to JEE Advanced. Got it? 11th standard. Hamza, work on your foundation. First solve NCRT. If you are in CBSE, solve NCRT. And then work on your previous year's questions of whatever chapter you completed. That will take you step higher. Okay, Vishesh, just pull the video back or message me on Instagram or Telegram. Okay, I am more active on Telegram. So message me on Telegram. I'll help you, Vishesh. Okay, Arya, I will not be able to repeat the questions, Arya. This session will end by 10 o'clock. Just 10 more minutes. Okay, I'll do 2 questions and then we will finish it off. So guys, what is the general term? S is equal to sigma TR. So sigma R equal to 1 to 2008, it will be R plus 2 divided by R factorial plus R plus 1 factorial plus r plus 2 factorial. How many of you understood this? If you understood this, you should have solved it, my dear. If you have understood this, you should have solved it. How? You should have done this. Okay. Hello, Vamsi. Welcome. Mini. Yes, Mini, I will help you for NTSC also. I have that in my mind because I enjoy teaching NTSC. I love to teach that. So maybe I will teach you towards the approach of the exam. Okay, not right now. Right now it's too early. Right now if I teach, nobody will come and watch. Okay, but I will do it near the exam. I will do it. Okay, so guys, did you all like it? See, put r equal to 1. If I put r equal to 1, you'll get 3 by 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial. Put r equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. Perfect. R equal to 2008. 2008 plus 2 is 2010. 2008, 2009, 2010. Perfect. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you, Krishna. That is so kind of you. JEE Advanced, Rajbhai. It is obviously difficult, man. You have to work hard for it. Okay. Karthikeyan, that is not correct, Karthikeyan. Please check it. You made a mistake, I think. Okay. So please check it. Srinath, alone it's difficult, man. Alone it's difficult. If you really are serious about it, Srinath, check out the KVPY crash course. It is currently active in Vedantu. The KVPY crash course is going on. Okay, if you want to really do well in KVPY, I can't guarantee you clearing it because KVPY is not easy. You have to really work hard. Okay, but the crash course can help you. Got it? So people, yes. Let me see who's right. Sarthak is right. Guys, the answer is option B. Sarthak, you get full points. You are right. Vishesh, yes, I can see your comment. Okay, Rohan Kumar, you are right, Rohan. Nagesh, you are right. You are from which district? I am from Chennai, man. I am from Chennai. Okay. Who told B? Karthikeyan, you told C, man. In between, you told C, I think. Okay. B is correct, Karthikeyan. You are right. I'm sorry if I saw it wrong, but otherwise, you are right. Srinath, 16 hours, you have very high chance. You have very high chance, but please take help, Srinath. The KVPY course is good because I was involved in the design of it. So I know how good the course is. If you work that many hours along with good backing, you will kill it. So now let me finish it off. Guys, let's not talk too much. Come on, guys. Let's finish it off. Let's finish it off. Okay. So r plus 2, I'll have it. Now denominator, I'll take r factorial common. So I'll have 1 plus r plus 1 plus r plus 1 into r plus 2. So guys, I'm going step by step. Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Everybody, please let me know with a thumbs up. Let me know with a thumbs up. Come on, guys, quickly. Everybody, please let me know with a thumbs up, boys and girls. I want you guys to let me know. Very good, Srinath. All the best, man. Do well. Everybody cool? Because r factorial, r plus 1 is r into r plus 1. Got it? R factorial into r plus 1. So r factorial, if I take, r plus 1 will be left out. Understood? So now let's open this. If you open this, what you'll get? R square plus 3r plus 2. Okay, so if you remove this, I can write that. So now combine it. R square plus 4r plus 4. So if I write everything, I'll get r square plus 4r plus 4. Now what is this? Can you tell me? Let's see who tells it correctly. What is r square plus 4r plus 4? Dayanidhi, observe how I am simplifying it. That is very important. Because that is what you guys need help with, right? Observe the way I simplify and make my question easy. So it is going to be r plus 2 the whole square. So it is going to be r plus 2 the whole square. So 1r plus 2, 1r plus 2 cancel. Look at how easy I made it. How easy I have made it. Amazing, right? Crazy? Crazy? Crazy is the word. Crazy is the word. Absolutely, right? Did you guys enjoy it? Yes, whole square, man. But numerator also r plus 2 is there, na? It will get cancelled. Numerator also r plus 2 is there, na? It will get cancelled. Obviously r plus 2 whole square, my dear. But numerator also r plus 2 is there. So they will get cancelled. Got it? Now, again, manipulation. Manipulation. So here, see, only middle term is missing. What is that? R plus 1. So here, if I multiply r plus 1, What is this? R factorial into R plus 1 into R plus 2 is nothing but R plus 2 factorial. Beauty? Is it beauty? Very good, Atu Krishna. Exactly. Telescopic series. Kavin. Kavin, I hope I will not be punished, man. I am also scared. Let's see. Okay. So guys, let's finish it off. So now R plus 1, can I write it as R plus 2 minus 1? So now split it. R plus 2 by R plus 2 factorial minus 1 by R plus 2 factorial. Sigma R equal to 1 to 2008. So R plus 2 will get cancelled. You will have what? You will have 1 by R plus 1 factorial. So if I open it, I'll get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2010 factorial. So this is the answer. Got it? Telescopic series. Method of differences. When you open it, you will get everything cancelled. You will be left only with these two terms, the first and the last term. You will be left out with only the first and the last term. Is that okay, guys? Did you guys like it? Good question. Amazing, na? Okay, so this is how you solve it, guys. Is Pedagogy app available for non-Vedantu students? Aryaman, I don't think so, man. It is only for Vedantu students. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Sukhdev. I'm so glad you are enjoying it. Thank you, Krishna. That is so sweet of you. Tamilan Gaming. The last step now, Tamilan Gaming. You have to open it. Put R equal to 1. When you put R equal to 1, you will get what? 1 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. Put R equal to 2. You will get 1 by 3 factorial minus 1 by 4 factorial. Put R equal to 3. You will have 1 by 4 factorial minus 1 by 5 factorial. Like that it keeps going. So you see every term will get cancelled. Only the last term will be left out. So the last term will be 1 by 2010 factorial. So only the first and the last term will be left out. That is why answer is option B. Did you like it? Are you cool with it? Did you guys enjoy it? Very good, Priya. Fantastic. So people, one final question. This is the last one that I have. Please try to solve it. Guys, we have 3 minutes. Be fast, be fast. Please tell how to enroll in Vedantu course. The Jiva Shri, just go below this video. In the description, you will have a link to join Vedantu. So go there and join it. Or else go to www.vedantu.com and click on courses. Choose whatever course you want to join. I will give you my coupon code if you want discounts. So for KVPY, my code is SJKVPY for KVPY. For Vedantu Pro subscription, my code is SHJ Pro. So this is what you have to use. You use it, you can join any course you want. Got it? Any JEE Advanced crash course, guys, we tried to do it, but it was too late. So I'm going to do it in YouTube only. Got it? Very good. Fantastic. Supriya, it will be difficult, Supriya, but you can try. What's the harm in trying? My dear? So guys, this question is beautiful. Shiva Kashyap is telling a good method. But Shiva, I'm going to surprise you by even better. So guys, I'm going to differentiate this. So if I differentiate this, Shiva, I'll get what? 2x plus 4. You'll get 4x plus 5. You'll get 16x minus 6. And then you have second row, you know how to differentiate, right? First column you differentiate, keeping these two fixed. So you'll get 4x plus 5. 16x minus 6, and then you'll have 13, 26 and 104. Now differentiate second column, keeping first and third fixed. So first is x square plus 4x minus 3, then you'll have 2x square plus 5x minus 9, 8x square plus 6x, okay, minus 6x. So 8x square minus 6x plus 1. Now differentiate this one. 2x differentiation is 2, 4x differentiation is 4, 16. And then you'll have 13, 26, 104. Now these two are proportional. So these two are identical. So this is anda. And these two are proportional. 13, 26, 104. 2, 4, 16. Proportional. If two columns are proportional, the value is 0. So this is also 0. So both of them are 0. And you have one more, right? You have the third one. The third one is differentiate this. But these are all constants. If I differentiate that, I'll get under. So the derivative itself is 0. So I will get the derivative of this is 0. That means it is a constant. If it is a constant, then A is under, B is under, C is under, only D will be there. So C0, A0. That's the answer. How was it? How was it? Did you guys like it? Was it amazing? So not always you have to substitute values. Not always you have to change X and solve. Sometimes you have to differentiate. Okay, look at the options. You have 2 zeros. That means something is happening. Got it? So that is how you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do solve more questions. I hope you liked it. So with that, people, we'll conclude the session. So if you enjoyed it, if you really want to join Vedantu and study with us, then definitely do check out the courses, because Vedantu is doing a great job. We have some amazing platform where a lot of students study with us, and we have doubt solving, and we also have some CBSE crash courses going on. Guys, all of this link, I have given it below in the description. I will show you how to join it, okay? So the CBSE Term 1 exam is coming up, right? For those who are preparing for 2022, your term exam is coming up. For that, we have a crash course, okay? For advanced, we don't have a crash course. I will teach you in YouTube only, okay? So guys, this is the pro subscription for 12th standard. Right now, there is an offer going on, guys. You see the prices, it is just 1,300. Guys, this is crazy less. It is crazy less. So please check it out and make use of it, okay? So guys, today only the offer is there. It will get over tonight. Guys, it will get over tonight. Please make use of it. This is for droppers. 13th batch. 13th means droppers. So if you guys are droppers, if you want to join Vedantu, again we have the same program. The discount is on the monthly subscription. So you see the monthly prices are very less because of the offer. And tonight it gets over. Okay, tonight it's getting over. So please make use of it, because we have some amazing results. We have some great teachers who can train you to be the best version of yourself. So people, this is the Telegram group. Do join it. I will share the PDF over there. And finally, do like and share. Do subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay. Thank you, Karthikeyan. That is so sweet of you, man. So people, for those who are interested to join, let me just give you a brief idea so that you guys can make use of these courses. So all you need to do is, my dear boys and girls, you have to go to the description. So you saw the video, right? This is the video. Just come below the video and you can click on whatever you want. This is KVPY crash course. This is the droppers batch. So you can click on it and then you can register. Okay. And you can, for 11th and 12th, you can check out my other videos. Got it? So basically, if you click on the links, you will understand what to do. It is basically like buying in Amazon, buying in Flipkart, like that. Same way. Okay. So people, I love you all and I hope to see you again in the next advanced session. Till then, work hard, because always remember, nothing comes without hard work. Okay. When I solve it, it might look easy because I've been doing this for a long time. Okay. So don't compare with me. Rather, try to become the best version of yourself. Okay. So work hard, people. All the very best. I love you all and I hope to see you again in Vedantu sometime soon. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.